Metaverse has done it again. There's a huge announcement about what they have. New Meta supercomputer boosts power for AI workloads, future Metaverse. So this right here, this photo is a row of racks for the Meta AI Research Supercluster, RSC, a new supercomputer to enable new AI models. Each rack contains two NVIDIA DGX A100 systems. So Metaverse has created a AI supercomputer for the Metaverse, and this is going to be huge for VR, AR, XR, and moving forward. So let's just keep reading about it. So Meta has built a new supercomputer that will likely become the fastest AI system in the world when it is completed later this year, the company said today. The new research supercluster, RSC, is already being used to train large models for natural language processing and computer vision, technologies that have broad application today and will be important for Meta's vision for a digital metaverse. So we're not just thinking VR, they're literally thinking metaverse. I don't know if it's just some form of a, this is wild. The experiences we're building for the metaverse require enormous computer power, and said Meta founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg. And then the RSC represents the next phase of digital infrastructure for Meta, which currently operates 18 data center campuses around the globe to support its Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger services. And then this represents an investment of $16 billion. So the RSC features 76 NVIDIA like we just said, DGX A100 systems for computer nodes with more. The GPUs are powerful like crazy. So it says, paving the way for a new computing platform. We hope RSC will help us build entirely new AI systems that can, for an example, power real-time voice translations to large groups of people, each speaking a different language, so they can seamlessly collaborate on a research project or play an AR game together. Meta said in a blog post by technical program manager. So they say that RSC will pave the way toward building technologies for the next major computing platform, the Metaverse, where AI-driven applications and products will play an important role. And AI computers are assembled in neural networks that emulate the learning process of the human brain to solve new challenges. It's a process that requires a lot of computing horsepower, which is why the leading players in the field have moved beyond traditional CPU-driven servers. Now, this is huge right here. It talks about the NVIDIA DGX A100. So that kind of just wraps up this article right here. Now, this is a huge announcement because, one, I think what they're trying to do is VR right here and Metaverse way up here. So they're not just trying to make it into a VR meshed in melting pot type of Metaverse aspect. I think Metaverse is just going to be on some new level. So for now, I just how we're jumping in there is going to be all different, obviously, with the VR platform, VR headsets. But I think they're even thinking beyond that also. So that's pretty, it's pretty scary too. You know, you don't know how far they're thinking. But although if it's a couple of years away, still, this is going to be great for VR also, because VR is going to be needing those computing platforms. But we don't know exactly what their actual metaverse is. Is it to really enhance that real estate, the NFTs, to enhance just more currency aspects, or maybe more getaways for people, more avatar implementations? And there's just so much you can do with this much computing power, and by the looks of it right here, they are ready to go. So y'all gotta let me know, what do you think they're doing? I believe this type of power, like it says AI workloads, we're looking more at AI a lot more. We're looking more at more of an AR. I think the augmented reality is going to be pushed a lot heavier for sure. Not just traditional VR, but AR, XR, mixed reality also, to where we can bring other services in with us, kind of like how their AR smart glasses do and all that. So y'all got to let me know what's up, man. This is a huge announcement. Either way, it's pushing forward, and they're going to push fast. So y'all got to let me know what you think Metaverse, Meta, and Meta Quest 2 is up to, especially with Project Cambria coming around the corner, man. So let me know. And also, a thumbs up and a subscribe always does help this content. Just know that you're a huge part of what we do, and it helps us continuously find articles and research and do fun things with you all. I appreciate you. Peace.